Welcome to Inside Outboards with your host, Kodibass.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Big hello to all you new subscribers. Thanks for joining us up in here on the channel. So I got that little Johnson 8.0 squared away there. And I've still got to fix the hood lights on it, but I'll get that. But I brought this next engine in here for a couple of reasons. And I'll go over it with ya. On my orange skiff out there, my Bay Runner skiff, I'm going to need to pull my Suzuki DT40 off there because I want to add electric start to it, and if it don't already have it, and I don't know that it does, a charge coil and rectifier and all that, so it'll charge batteries, run electronics, that kind of thing. But in the meantime, I have been talking to some friends of mine, and he told me of a place right out there. He goes, you barely got to go outside the break wall, and he goes, this time of year, even in the winter, February, he goes, there's a spot, and he showed it to me on the chart where the depth is not real deep, and he said there usually is some flounder and sea bass on this mount down there. So I want to have something on here that'll run my GPS and maybe even a fish finder if I want to go that far, but I can get right on top of it with the GPS because I have a chart plotter that has the bathymetric bottom. So it'll show me right when I'm over top of the mount. And but I got to do a few things to this little motor first, and it's way underpowered for my Bay Runner, but for what I'm going to be doing, it's fine because I'm just going to go right outside the break water, and I'll be maybe 75 to 100 yards out of the breakwater entrance. So if the weather was to come up, I just scoot back in. But I don't generally go out there when the weather's bad anyway. So I'm going to get this one set up to hang on the Bay Runner skiff while I'm taking care of the DT40. So that's my plan. You understand? So we're going to get on that one. And again, thank you for joining me up in here. And before I get too far, I want to say a happy and wonderful Merry Christmas and New Year's to everybody, because I'll forget. So I'm going to say it now even though it's a little early. So yeah, hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and New Year's and so forth. So I'd say let's get to it.
Close enough. Good enough. Good enough, I think. Not good enough. All right.
commercial fisherman in the whole North Territory. I come down here looking round, sniffing round. And I'll tell you what, you better have a Merry Christmas. And if you don't have a Merry Christmas, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna look around, sniff around, and I'm gonna find you, and I'm gonna fix you, and I'm gonna fix you right.
That's my backyard. On a beautiful full moon night with some clouds hanging right over top of the moon. I thought that's a pretty awesome sight right there. The Pacific Ocean, Kodiak Island, on a beautiful moonlit night. And a beautiful reflection of the moon on the ocean. It's calm and beautiful. You probably can't hear it, but I can hear puffins squawking a little bit. It's low, but I can hear them. I don't think you guys can hear them. And to all, a good night.
Well, looks like that's going to be a wrap on this one. I got to let some primer dry. And I got to do a couple other things to this little cutie 15 horsepower Honda. And this one, it's been abused pretty bad. When I first got it, it had level 11 outboard abuse. For sure. And I'll show you some of that in the next vid. But I got some primer and paint and stuff that needs to dry before I can really kind of continue on with it. So that's going to be a wrap on this one. And to all you Cody hackers out there, I want to blast out a big Merry Christmas to you. I hope you have a wonderful and safe Christmas, and you get to spend it with those that you love. And so that's gonna wrap this one up. As always, that is one more hack from Kodiak. Thanks for watching.
More vids are coming on Inside Outboards with your